All right, everybody, I got to have this suit back by 6. Let's try and get it right.
Showtime.